welcome back. I'm Tahsin Azad and today with me is my cousin brother Asgar Azwad, and I know you are thinking that how many brothers I have. I have many brothers, I don't know why. So he's Asgar Azwad and today we are going to make a review. As you saw by the title, we are going to make a review of this phone, Xiaomi Mi A1. So I got the black color one and he's going to tell you about this phone. I'm going to tell you about the portrait mode. So guys, I'm going to talk about this phone from the outside and he's going to talk about it from the inside things. And first I'm going to talk about the camera, which has dual camera and it is really good, and it has a fingerprint sensor which comes in like half a second, opens the phone, which is really fast. And let me talk about the portrait mode. So those who don't know what is portrait mode, it blurs the background and focus in your face. So let me show you an example of my picture from the portrait mode. So over here, as you can see, over here, yep, over here you are seeing there is a portrait mode photo. It took really nice picture, I think so. Comment down below how did you like it. And yep, so nothing else. And we have a bonus review of another thing, so he's going to show you that.
So this is a fidget magnet.
Yep.
There it is.
Yep. So as you can see here, there is a
You can
thing,
rearrange it as a robe or a necklace or just a box.
bracelet.
These are
It's like you can make anything you want and you can do like a stress ball, whatever you want. So it comes with 216 balls. So I choose the black one. So our daily bonus review is done. Peace out. And now I'm going to show you another thing. So I bought with this phone, I bought a case which is really nice. It's from the company Nickley, as you can see here. So it's really good cover. It's a leather cover, as you can see at the back, with a really nice quality. I bought the black color one because black looks nice with black. Yeah, it doesn't mean anything. So this was the cover, and now I'm going to talk in the middle. First he's going to talk about it in this phone, and I also bought a selfie stick with this phone over here, as you can see.
Honor selfie.
Yeah, Honor, and it's more special, not like normal one. You can make it like a tripod over here, as you can see over here, and you can also make it long, and it has a Bluetooth remote. You can click pictures from far away. First, when I used to make videos with my phone, I would use this one, but now I use a Gorilla Pod for my camera, which is I'm using now. So let's talk about the phone. He's going to talk. So enough talking about these things. Now let's talk about the phone. Yep.
So the Xiaomi Mi A1 was announced on September of 2017. It is a collaboration between Google and Xiaomi. So that means this is an Android One device. For those of you who don't know what an Android One device is, it means the software is by Google. So everything, this is a stock Android, no other edits by any in the UI. This is a stock UI and
Space.
And as this is an Android update, it gets regular updates. This got the Android Oreo update in 31st December of 2017. That's really fast for a phone, for a mid-range phone to get the Android Oreo update.
And the phone only comes with 64 gigabytes.
Recently they also released a 32 gigabyte.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay, I got the 64 gigabytes. So he told me just now that there is a 32 gigabyte, and also another phone is coming about this color, the red color one. I think it is.
Yes.
So go check it out, and I'm going to leave a video in the description. Make sure to watch that. And yeah, start talking again.
So the phone has a 5.5-inch LED IPS LCD display, and it's about it is a 1080p display resolution, and it has a Corning Gorilla Glass as it's in the front, so it's very hard to break. I dropped my one about 3 times, but it didn't break.
Yep, and guys, those who are thinking what is she seeing in the screen, he's seeing the specs about he don't know about this phone.
No, I do know.
Yeah, he knows, but he's seeing there and
Okay then.
exposed.
There are 2 cameras up here. They are both 12 megapixel. One is the wide angle camera, and another is the 12 megapixel telephoto camera. And in the front there is a 5 megapixel camera, and the phone
He's getting tired.
the phone has a USB-C type. This is the latest USB-C type USB, and it doesn't have the it doesn't have the fast charging, but it still charges very fast.
Yep, but it takes like for 2 hours or 3 hours to charge completely.
Yes, there is a fingerprint sensor. It's very fast, not that fast, not
Like half a second.
no,
or
not
1 second.
not that late. 1 second is actually a very long time. Not that of flagship, not that of the flagship phones, but it's still fast.
Hey, show them by using the fingerprint sensor how much time
Okay
it
then.
takes.
3, 2, 1.
See,
it's
like half a second.
yeah.
So it opens with my fingerprint and his fingerprint. High five.
So as this is an Android O device, it even got the January update a few days ago.
Yep.
And
I still didn't get that I will give today.
you didn't?
No,
Why not?
I did.
Yeah. And many bugs are fixed here. And this is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625 and 2 gigahertz CPU. And that's about it about
Yep.
this phone.
That's about it about this phone. And hope you enjoy.
Tell them about. Are you satisfied with this phone and your
Yep,
experiences?
this was a good phone I used for like 3 months. This was a good phone. I think you should get this phone. Before buying that, please watch this video and search more about this and then buy which one you want. So this was my experience. This was really good. So now he's going to tell you about his experience because he also started using this phone.
Yes, I really liked it. It can take 4K videos,
Yep.
and very soon it will also enable the EIS, which means the electronic image stabilization, and that can help take better photos with this. And the camera is also one of the main attractions of this phone, so it will be even better in the
Was
future.
this the cheapest and best phone for 2017?
This is the #1 trending phone of 2017 because this is the best and no, not the cheapest. This is the best mid-range phone, budget phone of 2017.
That's why I bought it. So this was about it.
Yes.
Yep. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you then hit a like, subscribe and share this video and comment down below whoever has this phone. Comment down below how was your experience and we will read that. And comment down below what should I do next, and I will do sometimes I will do that. So please, hope you enjoyed these 2 things. It was really nice. Peace out. I'll see you next time.